Morgan Stanley issues Ethereum warning, says ETH may lose market share to faster, cheaper challengers. I have been seeing articles just like this one for years now, and all they do is manipulate the market for their own benefit. All these greedy bankers care about one thing, and that is taking more of your money. But there is a little bit of truth to this article. Ethereum has been losing market share for multiple years now to competitors such as BNB, Cardano, Matic, Solana, and Polkadot, and a ton of other ones have been taking market share away from Ethereum. This is due to one big reason, and that is the Ethereum gas fees. These platforms' fees are very low compared to ETH. Being completely honest, I do love Ethereum, and I believe it is a great long-term hold. It is currently one of my biggest positions. With all that being said, I believe the next 1 to 2 years, we are going to see total war between Ethereum and the Ethereum killers. Who will end up on top? Nobody knows. Will Ethereum still be king in 2 years? I think so. But I believe the ETH killers are definitely going to gain a lot more market share. The upcoming bear market will pretty much determine who survives and who doesn't. My picks are Ethereum and then a couple of other Ethereum killers. Let me know in the comment section below, who do you think will win? Will Ethereum still be king, or will it be replaced by one of these ETH killers? Like, follow, peace.